Welcome to this tutorial on how to connect your Google Calendar to ZenInbox. Follow these simple steps to get started. Access the Calendar section. Start by navigating to the Calendar section from the sidebar. Click the plus icon, located to the right of the Create Event button. Select a calendar provider. Select Google as your calendar provider. Sign in to your Google account. Choose the Google account you want to connect or sign in if it's not listed. The app is going under Google verification and this will be resolved shortly. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant ZenInbox access to your calendar. Grant permissions. After selecting your account, Google will ask you to review and approve permissions. Click Continue to authorize ZenInbox to manage your calendar. Confirm the connection. Once the process is complete, you'll see a success message indicating that your Google Calendar has been connected. Your calendar will now appear in the Calendar section with your Google account email and details. Explore calendar features. With your Google Calendar connected, you can now view your events and schedules directly in ZenInbox. Check the availability of team members. Create and manage events seamlessly within the platform. And that's it. Your Google Calendar is now fully integrated with ZenInbox, making scheduling and collaboration easier than ever. Thank you for watching and enjoy managing your calendar with ZenInbox.